Hey, welcome back guys and gals. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. There we got two more old 5-packs out of that state sale I got from that guy. Out of my crate full. We got the Graffiti Rides Workshop. We got the Stunt Devil Off-Road. Let's open them up. Alright, we'll start with Graffiti Rides. Got an 08 Ford Focus. 08 Ford Focus. That's the 08 Ford Focus. And next we got a little rocket box. A little Volkswagen rocket box. Big old wheels. Little short stubby thing. And that is the rocket box. Next we got a nice 72 Ford Ranchero. Pretty nice looking. Anyway, that's the Ford Ranchero. Next we got what they call a power panel. And that's the power panel. Next we got a HW Rapid Responder. Yep, that's the Rapid Responder. Next we got the off-road stunt team over here. Start out with a little Volkswagen Baja Beetle. That's the Baja Beetle. Next we got what they call a loop coupe. And that is the loop coupe. Next we got a Monster Dairy Delivery. And that's the Monster Dairy Delivery. Looks like it's got a glass out right there. Next we got the Dirty Outlaw. And that's the Dirty Outlaw. Next we got the Poison Arrow stunt plane. And that's the poison arrow. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Check out my other videos of 164 scale racing, please. It's a beautiful afternoon here in South Carolina. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Come back for some more. Thank you, and we'll see you later.